the water output tube, and the power supply port, the single cable from the printer, and the control port for vanish UV lamp, the control port for the color and wet printhead lamp UV lamp. On the top of the UV control box, we can see this is the water cover. When we take out water cover, you can see some water inside. Because the UV lamp, we are using the water circulation cooling system to reduce the working temperature of the UV lamp inside. So later we teach you how to load water inside. When we go to the front of the UV control box, we can see the general power switch to power on the UV control box, and the temperature working temperature status screen, and the control knob for adjust the brightness of vanish UV lamp, and the adjuster knob for control the color and wet printhead UV lamp.